You can also ask, well, what if we want the top 5 pizza toppings, but we want to filter it by size, right? Let's say we want what are the best-selling large pizzas, or what are the best-selling medium pizzas or small pizzas. We can go back to our pivot table and we can get more information, right? So right now we're only using the pizza toppings and the quantity, right? But we have a lot more information about these sales here, and we can use that information, right? So let's say we want to know what are the most popular pizza toppings by size, right? So then we can see that one of our options here for the pivot table is going to be filters, right? So we can drag the pizza size label and bring it down into filters, right? That, notice everything here stayed the same so far. We still have the pizza toppings by row, and the values are still the quantity, right? But now we have this filter up here that we can choose the pizza size, right? So right now it's for all, right? So it's not filtering anything. But let's say we want to know what are the medium pizzas, the most popular medium pizzas. So I put medium here, okay? And you see a couple of these changed, right? Now we have barbecue chicken, Cali chicken, classic, Italian supreme, pepperoni. A couple of them are the same, but a couple changed, right? And these are now the numbers for these toppings for a medium pizza.